Think you can power your laundry with your legs? Tired of high bills, broken machines, or crowded laundromats? What if doing your laundry could save the environment, cut your bills, and keep you fit, all at once? Introduce you, our unique and sustainable product, Human Pedaling Washing Machine.
Hi, we are from Group 5. So this is our product, which is a human power washing machine. The frame, we use PVC as the material. This is the bicycle cushion seat. This is the bicycle crankset. To hold the water, we use plastic container we bought from outside. Then there's a drum inside. For this drum, we use 2 steam plate, then cover with wire mesh. So inside the wire mesh, there's a support. We use plastic rod. Then there is a ball valve here to act as a drainage system. Ball valve is connected to the bucket fitting. And then there's a end cap here. Then we use bolt and nut to fix it.
So I am here to talk about the function. First of all, the handle is for the safety and ergonomic. And next, for the cushion seat, it is for the comfort of the user. For the crankset and chain, they are used to rotate the drum so that the clothes can be cleaned by the rotation of the drum. For the plastic container, it is used to contain the water, and the wire mesh and the plastic rod is for agitation. And lastly, the water can be drained through the ball valve.
So first we put the dirty cloth inside. Then we close this door that we cut out from the wire mesh. Close it with a cable tie. As you can see, when the drum is rotating, the garment, like this cloth inside, is agitated by this wire mesh and this plastic rod. The agitation is for better cleaning. So now it's time to take out the clean garment. So we'll open this cable tie to open the little gate. Take out our garment and look clean and white. So now we will drain off the excess water by opening this ball valve. As you can see, the excess water will drain out on its own by gravity. So we designed this human power machine is mainly for the university students. Is to give them the chance to clean their clothes using human power while doing some exercise. As it says in our slogan, which is power your wash, empower your body. And furthermore, washing these clothes using our device is totally free of charge, which help them to save money. So our sub-functions are decomposed into 6 main sub-functions, which are human power input, containing the clothes, containing water, washing the clothes, and the water management.